Hi there, good morning. I am Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a licensed real estate broker and a partner of Greenfield Development Corporation. We are here to the segment of Best in Town Property PH na tanong mo, sagot ko. Ang tanong, baka naman may hidden fees yan ha? Baka biglang lumubo yung babayaran ko. I feel you. Yan ang number one fear ng mga first-time buyers. As your licensed real estate broker, I believe in transparency. Walang surprise bill dito. I-breakdown natin lahat, from closing costs to taxes, para alam mo every centavo na ini-invest mo. Ang Sadia is under Greenfield Development Corporation, so tested na ang track record. No ghost fees, just your future home. Check natin yung computation together. Send us a message to book your tripping schedule. See you! This is Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a PRC licensed real estate broker and an accredited partner of Greenfield Development Corporation, helping you find not just a property, but the right investment for your future. Thank you very much.